What's up guys, welcome back to the Python 3 tutorial series. This time I'll be showing you how to get user input. What I mean by this is that a prompt will appear in the console and a user, which is us, we can type in data to the console, and then from there we can save it to a variable and do whatever we want with it. So this can be done with a built-in Python function called input that allows you to do just that. So let's get started. Let's go to our Python folder and create a new file called input.py. So here it is right here. We'll name it input and give it an extension of py. Python files have to have an extension of py for it to be a Python file. So then we open this up with PyCharm, and then we can start coding. Okay, so it's ready. So this can actually be done quite easily, but there are two variations of what you can do. Let's do both. So to ask a user for its input and save it to a variable, we can simply type the variable name. We'll name it tractor, because I'm a Texas person. I'm actually from the city. I've never, well, anyway. Yeah, I'm a city slicker. Okay, so then we put the input method here. That's a built-in Python method, and we could ask the question basically. What's the prompt of it, basically? So, what's your favorite tractor? And there we go. So now that'll ask the user for that information, and then once you press enter you type something in, press enter, and then it'll be saved to this variable basically, okay? So this can get complex later on with if statements and stuff like that and conditionals, but for now we'll just print it out so we can see what we're doing here. So tractor, I said that weird, tractor. So we can also use some concatenation here. This is called concatenation, where you just add stuff inside of your print statement here. So, oops. Your favorite tractor is like that. And then, yeah, so that's how you print that out. This doesn't seem to be working, the run thingy, so we'll just open it up on a PowerShell like we've done before. And we have to locate this file now, so yeah, I'll do that and I'll be right back. Let me see it right there, input.py. So we'll try running this, Python input.py. So it asks me, what's your favorite tractor? And I'll say, John Deere. I think that's how you spell it. And then it says your favorite tractor is John Deere. So as you can see, it's saved to a string. This is saved into a string, the input itself. And it's saved as a variable named tractor. And yeah, we can access it now and do whatever we want. So we'll try this again. So make it a little neater or something. So to ask, what is your favorite tractor? I'll say pickle. And then it says your favorite tractor is pickle. So yeah, so that's pretty cool. So that's pretty sweet. As you can see, it works. So let me show you the other way to do it. It's literally the same thing except that it makes it a little neater, basically. So let me show you. So we'll print out what's your favorite flower, and then now we set the input here. We could just do it like that, and then we can print out your favorite flower is flower. So it's the exact same thing except it does it line by line basically. So let me show you. Let's open up the PowerShell. So it'll print it out, and then on the line below that, then it'll ask for the input. So it's a little neater, I guess. I don't know, just preference, I guess. Does the exact same thing. It's saving to a variable. So yeah, same thing. So 45 is my favorite flower. So anyway, that's a string, by the way. Inputs are strings. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. It's pretty simple, but this can be useful for the future. So I hope you enjoyed. Leave a like if you liked it. Subscribe if you want to see more, and peace.